Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to compress Word documents using ZipKing. There are two easy ways to do this. Let's start with method 1. Open up ZipKing on your PC. You can get to the Word compression tool through the Image, PDF, or Video tabs. Click on any of those, and you'll be taken to the Hypercompress interface. From there, choose the Word option. Now click Add File. Or just drag and drop your Word doc into the panel. Next, pick your compression quality and where you want to save the file. When you're ready, just hit Compress. Alright, let's check out method 2. Find the Word file you want to compress. Then right-click on it. Select Word Compression from the right-click menu. That'll open up the Hypercompress window with your Word file ready to go. Just choose your settings and click Compress. And that's how easy it is to compress Word docs with ZipKing. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the link in the description to try WMaster ZipKing for free. See you in the next video.